Ghana Mali akose 2-1 reactions Kumasi Ghana and Central for Sports Journalists are reacting now and ade ba ko bi see player ye freno FREDERICK ASARE Kumasi Asante Kotoko and lineup ne bae no ono na na ehye number 10 jersey na amanfo ebusa se na goalkeeper o number 10 jersey de da ben na ebisi ye twa ye ni koye chi a unim Olele share number 10 pen. Yes, was it FREDERICK ASARE recreating Olele's Kensen vibes. Goalkeeper in jersey number 10 shirt for the Black Stars against Mali tonight. It's 10 na among focus ya Jeffrey Dida use some Eddie Ama FREDERICK ASARE ne idea Olele kra no was shirt number 10 jersey no our Black Stars da. Now reactions after the game na 12 so we social media in video no so we Mohammed Hudu Awa Oya Juma Kesben FM Kesben TV. Also Jordan Ayew scored his 25th goal for the Black Stars, which was the match winner in Bamako. Let's just say Awa my history and records kakra Jordan Eshe ni 25th goal ewo ho. Yenti na yenhye nso. Ken Yaw Ampofu senior man Yaw Ampofu nso. Ye poor game na no betro e. O say he never talks. Does he? Yes, Jordan on tank as but he drew Juma no be no nya match winner ever Ghana. Country man Sungu. And also they need by what an old man can see sitting down. The youth cannot see standing up. Jordan Ayew, my fire guy. Thank you. Let's just say Jordan Jenny Samba Pow. As far as this particular game was concerned, Country man Sungu. Also the papa Jordan Ayew. Gary R. Smith and also Juma one kind and also the other body. Also Jordan has 5 goals in his last 4 matches for Black Stars. Wow. Another interesting statistics coming in from Gary R. Smith. Jordan has 5 goals in his last 4 games for the Black Stars. Very impressive. You could see the Juliet Bewu also Ebetroy. Or say, which one do you like? Good performance without resource. And I say B, resource. Let's say obebo ball fe no wenya resource. Ene obenya resource. Opedien. And we Juliet Bewu and Semo Bebusa after the game. Michael Otia J senior most. Or say I think America no and Canada no it can happen. It can happen. Ghana boys, Yediabre, America ne ebe happen. I don't know Michael Otia J so the other vibe. Ora Ampofu. Roku or TV3 or say Otuado was very protective in the game. He didn't wait for the results to get out of reach before making changes to the system and personnel. Bringing on Abdul Momin stopped Mali from attacking from Ghana's right. Elisha also brought more calm on the ball than Salis. Fatah Isha could chase down the ball, the loose ball, and Jordan Ayew had a very impressive cameo, scored the winner. No, tactics. I was saying Mutuado was very protective. And one chance and a game, a better friend in some and Sana all taking the necessary decisions with personnel and system. Yes, Nedia or also at the buy no fancy the Maria or some pie for Mononso, we no better Mali 1, Ghana 2, say yeah, Kotoko vibes number boo, yeah, or say could do to Akutokano Ekasi, you take FM. Or say what do you call behind the off the pitch in some. Mali Stadium has an electric pitch panel, but my country still they use carpenters on match days to patch plywood together. Unims are the Okobayara pitch panel na yes, anyo mana de age pitch no ho ahia na omo de advert aguso no Mali de na na electronic screen, but was a Ghana oba babayara ene Accra Sports Stadium. Carpenter de and plywood nti yenhwe na yen develop. Yes, ono so the other firm no. Monday, Ghana versus Central African Republic. Here about Subabayara Sports Stadium. Inshia.